You've just won £1 million!
Hey everyone! I was lost in a mess of clunky tools, trying to craft a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game that felt flat. Then, TriviaMaker swooped in, turning chaos into a slick, authentic masterpiece with lifelines and flair. Now my friends can't stop buzzing about game night. Wanna wow your crew? So let's get started. Hey, once you're logged into TriviaMaker, just hit that Create Games button. Pick a trivia, then choose a theme from 5 awesome options. Don't worry, you can tweak it later if you're feeling fickle. Click Next, slap a snappy name and a quick description on it, and boom. You're all set to start tossing in those questions. See those icons up top? That's your control hub. Add to playlists, share, or clone with a click. Pick a category, slap on a tag, set the age and difficulty, and tweak the language if you're feeling fancy. So, adding questions is actually pretty flexible. But let me show you the easiest way right now. AI generation. Ready? Just type your topic here, then boom, hit generate. Take a peek, pick the ones you love, and click add. Loving it? Awesome. Just smash that save button and so if you're enjoying this app and thinking, hey, I want to make my own millionaire game. Good news, it's really simple. Just check out the video description or comments. You'll find the TriviaMaker link there. Personalize your design by selecting your preferred font, button, background colors, and font style. Initially using stock colors. Next, let's incorporate a logo and background image. I found ideal ones for this game. For the theme song, we'll use stock options for now. Finally, I'll click Save to apply these changes. Scroll up, tap Play, and pick your mode. I'm going basic mode for now. Click Launch Game, then let's play. And we're off. Now you can simply click on the arrow on the top left or anywhere else to reveal your question. As you glance up, you'll notice the control panels at the top, bottom left, and bottom right. Now let's enjoy the game. Boom. Guess what? You can check out the video description or drop into the comments section to grab the link to TriviaMaker. Also, did this video hit the mark? Drop a like, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more genius hacks.